Welcome everybody. Today we check out the Mirage, including a thorough room tour and great views of the pool. So kick it! The Mirage opened in 1989 and set the standard for the modern-day Las Vegas resort. Actual gold dust was used in the construction of the windows to give off that gold tint. When you walk into the Mirage, you instantly feel the energy of the property, while at the same time experience the serenity of the Atrium. Entertainment. There's Cirque du Soleil's Beatles Love. There are plenty of shops, bars, and restaurants. To name a few, Tom Colicchio's Heritage Steak, Pantry, Costa, O Toro, Diablo's Cantina, California Pizza Kitchen, The Still, and Snacks. And here's Snacks. But before I went to Snacks, I went to the M Life desk and received a 2-for-1 sandwich credit. A reward I redeemed from the My Vegas Slots app. My Vegas Slots also comped me my 2-night stay at the Mirage and 2 passes to the Secret Garden. Check out the My Vegas apps in the App Store but finish watching this video first. Now back to snacks. So I got a grilled chicken sandwich at the regular price, and it was good. And then I got the bacon burger for free, and the bacon burger was really good. It was totally awesome. Shout out to the bacon burger at Snacks. At the pool, you can order food and beverages by scanning the QR code with your phone. At the pool, you can also visit the Paradise Cafe, Dolphin Bar, or the adult-only Bear Pool Lounge. Walk around the pool area and you'll find lots of shade, extra space, and beautiful pathways to explore. Room tour. Okay, I was surprised how small the bathroom was, but there is a nice deep tub if you like to take a bath. I arrived at the Mirage, I checked in with the desk clerk and did the $20 trick. And as a result, I got a room on the 23rd floor with a strip view, plus a late checkout. The room itself was large and quite nice. The bed was comfortable and the TV was decent. And there's this great workspace where you can hook up a laptop or a video game system to your TV. And there's a mini bar. I wonder if there's any Fireball in here. The Mirage Volcano, Dolphin Habitat, and Siegfried and Roy's Secret Garden. Coming soon to Vegas NOLA Man. Support my channel by subscribing. It's free! And then hit the bell icon for notifications.